Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Makeup by Earn. How did you like my new introduction? Yeah, it was time. You know, I wanted something different with my video and I wanted to bring new quality to y'all. Well, not really quality, but just something new, you know, something to add to the video that y'all have never seen before. I'm like, okay, Earn's stepping her game up, because I am. So today I decided I wanted to do a yellow look, even though I've kind of done a yellow look already, but just like a bold yellow look, just like yellow, just yellow. And that's gonna be on the eyes, not the lipstick or nothing, but just a pretty subtle yellow. And my makeup will be subtle as well. I've been playing around with my makeup lately, and I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I apologize for that because I've been stressed. I've been going through some crap, but I'm gonna make sure I don't let that stop me anymore, and I'm going to put out videos for you all just so that, you know, I'm, you know, consistent and y'all can keep getting your videos like you want. So like I said, I'm going to do a yellow look. It's gonna be all yellow, crease, middle, everything is gonna be yellow. Unless I change my mind, then, you know, because you know I like to change my mind. So let's get started. I'm not gonna do the face on here because y'all have seen my face on here before. Just so that y'all can get an idea of what foundation I'm using, I'm either gonna use my Kat Von D Lock-It or I'm gonna use my Lancome. And most likely today, I kind of felt like I want to use my Kat Von D, only because I haven't used it in a really long time. So I'm gonna do my face and then I'll be back to do the eyes. Alright, so now that I'm done with my face, as you can tell, I'm done. So now that I'm done with my face, I'm about to go in with my NYX primer, eyeshadow primer. Well, eyeshadow base, my bad. My bad. And I don't know if y'all can see my shirt, but IG Makeup by Earn, make sure you follow, okay? I'd appreciate that. I need to hurry up because me and my best friend are about to go see The Purge, and I'm just now starting, and it's like, what, 1 something, and it starts at 2. So that's why I went ahead and did my face makeup right now, and then I'm gonna do my eye makeup. So we're gonna get started with that. Put some on them eyelids so that makeup can pop, baby. I hope y'all got some. If y'all been doing y'all makeup and y'all got some of this. I mean, you don't have to just use this. You can use concealer and then set your concealer, which is like, from what I've heard, a lot better. But I actually like this one better. I guess I'm just stuck in my ways, like how I was stuck in my ways of doing my eye makeup first, then my face makeup. And it turns out I actually like it a lot better. But I've tried the primer. I've tried the concealer and setting it, but it just didn't work for me. So yeah, I'm sticking with this until I get out of my ways, and then I'm going to realize, hey, I actually like this route a lot better, because I've been having this stuff for a good year or 2, like, only because when I do my makeup, I don't do, you know, the pretty colors all the time, or I just don't use as much, you know. So it lasts you a pretty long time, unless you're a beginner and you feel like you need the whole container, because that just might happen to you. Just know it just might happen to you. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. Fun fact, I hiccup all the time. All of the time. So now that we're done with that part, we're gonna go in with my multicolored palette by e.l.f. And I really want a pretty yellow, and I feel like, because like my pants have a whole bunch of colors in it. They have black, teal, pink, orange, yellow, pink, I said pink already, white. So, but like the yellow that's in here doesn't really match the yellow that's on here. But I mean, I guess I can make it work. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this color today, and we are going to make this a beat. And I know y'all noticed that I didn't start with a crease, But that's because I'm not really looking forward to doing a crease today. I'm just putting this on, and then when I finish putting it on, I'm gonna blend it out. I'm wondering if I should like do a little shimmer in the middle or something. Kind of want to. I just might. Don't hold me against it because I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, I do. I actually came on video with a plan this time, y'all. So, girls, moving on up. Got the yellow working up in here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and blend out what we already have so that it's not just like a cut, you know, because it's not a cut crease. So we're just gonna blend. I decided to not put in any shimmer today. I really wanted to keep it as simple as possible. There is something on my nose and it's driving me insane. Yeah, so I'm actually debating if I want to put on eyeliner, to be honest, today. I kind of don't. I actually really don't. This is like a different look for me today, and I'm really happy that I'm doing it because like I'm trying something new. Maybe I'll put some bottom eyeliner on. So now we will go in with my mascara because, you know, you need mascara. And then I'll put on my lashes. And hopefully we don't have a hard time today. To be honest, I should just wear my regular lashes today, but I don't want to. I'm gonna stop being complicated and I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. So I didn't tell y'all I was gonna do my bottom lashes, but you know now I was doing my bottom lashes, my bottom eyeliner. I feel like I didn't brush off enough of my setting powder, so I'm just gonna do that really quick because it kind of feels like it's just standing out, but it's probably just standing out because today I decided to do a lighter color. Alright, we're gonna go in with my US Route 31 mink lashes from the MUA project. If you haven't been already, you better go. Y'all missing out. Let's see. Yes, I'm trying to see. Okay, yeah, I have it right. I was trying to see which eyelash goes on which eye. Yo, I bet today's gonna be a short video. And I'm really happy because, you know, long videos, I like long videos, but I also like short videos. Like, doing this more now, I've realized I like doing short videos a lot more. It's faster to edit as well. Father God, please, please, please let this be an easy process today, because I don't have the time to be struggling with these lashes. If I struggle with these lashes, I'm taking these out of the video. But then again, even if I don't, I'm probably gonna take them out the video anyway. It just depends on how I feel. I'm debating if I should take these off, because I could just wear my natural ones, because these are a bit much today. I already got them on. I might as well just leave them on. So I found a technique for me to make my lips gloss, like gloss to the gods, right? So remember this stuff that I got in my May Ipsy bag? Oh Lord. Yes, this was in my May Ipsy bag. So you put that on first, because I'm just doing a gloss today. I'm not doing like a really popping lip. And lately I haven't really been doing a popping lip, only because I guess I'm more of a seasonal makeup person. So you put some of that on, rub your lips together, and they instantly pop anyway. Then I'm gonna go in with this other thing I got from Ipsy, and it's like a pink. You pat your lips a little bit, then kind of just color your lips a little bit. It'll be a little pink. And then I go in with my lip gloss by Revlon. I love this. Like, it's not sticky, and it's hard to find lip gloss that isn't sticky. I either use this one or I use this one. So we might mix the two, you never know. But just to get the like right color, sometimes you have to do all that. And now that we're finished, oh my God, I keep running low. I need to go buy some. Oh my God. Spray our face. Okay, everybody, that's the finished look for the day. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and leave some ideas if you have any ideas of what makeup look you want me to do next. I will take pictures, of course. And oh, just so you know, additional services to my makeup will be coming soon. So stay tuned. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is yet. But when it's all set in stone, you will know, okay? Well, thank you for watching my video, and I will see y'all next time I post. Peace out.